So good morning, welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. So today we are going to start the new chapter. So that is the probability chapter. So today we shall discuss the probability. So multiple choice questions which will be useful to even national talent search examination or some other entrance examination. It will be useful for even Andhra Pradesh IIIT 2020 examination too. Okay. So we shall have a discussion on probability. So we have only one formula, that is the actually um, probability of an event is equal to number of possible cases to E divided by the total number of cases. That formula need to be applied. So but the more concepts are there that will be discussed while discussing the problems. Okay. Probability, multiple choice questions, MCQs, useful for national talent search examination, NTSC or IIIT. Even for basics of EAMCET and JEE mains also. The first question: if an event occurs surely then its probability its probability is A 0, B 1, C 1/2, D 3/4. That means if an event occurs surely, that means a certain event, then its probability. What is the probability of certain event? So generally we write solution. Let E be a certain or sure event. So then probability of E. Basically the definition of probability of E is equal to N of E, number of favorable cases to the event E, by total outcomes, that is N of S, the number of elements present in or number of total outcomes in sample space. So N of A is equal to here equal to N of S itself only. So N of S gets cancelled, we have 1. So that means hereafter we can say the probability of sure event is always 1. And moreover we can discuss one thing: probability of any event lies between 0 and 1 itself only. So we can have like this also, we can write 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. This is the minimum value of probability 0, maximum is 1. Always lies between 0 to 1. It may be fraction number or that may be a proper fraction, P of E may be. Understood now? So this is the we call range of the probability also. So second question. So let us move to the second question now. two dice are rolled simultaneously, one after one, simultaneously. The probability of getting a doublet is, so that means when two dice are rolled simultaneously, so what is the probability of getting a doublet? Doublet means same number on the both dice. That means doublet means, see what do you mean by doublet means? Doublet means getting same number on the dice. This is called doublet. So now options. First option 5 upon 36, B is 1 upon 12, C is 1 upon 9, D 1 upon 6. Okay, let us do the solution. First, this problem is related to the two dice. Two dice are rolled simultaneously, or one dice is rolled for two times, same results are same. So that means n of s is equal to total number of outcomes. First we need to write in this experiment. This is called random experiment. So n of s is equal to, on first dice we have 6 numbers, we know 1 2 6. Second die also 6 6 6 ja 36, you remember. But instead of 2 dice 3 dice are rolled. 6 into 6 into 6 you need to write. 4 dice 6 to the power of 4, this we can write 6 square also. 6 square also we can write it, n of s. So let be the required event. Probability of getting a doublet. See, this event is E. Say event E. So then we need to find out E equals to possible cases. You can write like this. On first die 1, second die 1. Same. First die 2, on second die 2. 2 comma 2. 3 comma 3. 4 comma 4. 5 comma 5. And 6 comma 6. These are the favorable cases. How many number of favorable cases are there? Just count in this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means n of E is equal to 6. So we need to find out probability of E. What do you mean by probability of E? Probability of getting a doublet. So that is given by formula n of E upon n of S. So 6 divided by 36. 6 1 ja 6, 6 6 ja. 1 upon 6 is the answer. D is the right option. D is the right option. Next, third question. Third, in rolling or throwing, whatever it may be, rolling a dice, the probability of getting of getting the probability of getting an odd number or a number less than 4. So A 1, B 1 upon 2, C 2 upon 3, D 3 upon 4. So let me read the question once again. See, in rolling a dice, this problem is related to the one die or one dice generally we call. The probability of getting an odd number or a number less than 4. So that means the solution we need to find out like this. N of S equals to single dice. Single dice means 6 raised to 1, that is 6. N of S is equal to. Now E means odd number or number less than 4. That means 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma number less than 4. 1 comma 2 comma 3 itself only, or a number less than 4. 1 comma 2 comma 3. So that means N of E equals to here 3. So now the probability of getting E, happening of E, that is N of E upon N of S. So 3 upon 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. 1 upon 2 is the right answer. Yes, B will be the right answer. Am I correct? Now fourth question. So let us move to the fourth question. The probability of getting a sum of 9 when two dice are rolled. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. Is A 1 upon 36, B 1 upon 9, C 1 upon 27, D 2 upon 9. This is very important problem. The probability of getting a sum 9, sum or total, both are same. Sum or total of 9, or this may be called as score also. Getting a score, both are same. Score, total, sum of 9. Good morning Viresh, welcome. So when two dice are rolled simultaneously, this problem is related to the two dice. Two dice are rolled one time, or one dice is rolled for two times, same results. So that means first let us find out N of E, N of S, the total outcomes in sample space. N of S is equal to 2 dice means 6 into 6, that is 6 square, you get 36. Now let E be the required event. E is equal to, you need to write. Sum should be 9 means, and 2 dice. First die 4 comma 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. So next is 5 comma. So we can write like this also. We can write like this also. See, let me write like this. Combinations. 3 comma 6, maximum 6 numbers. 3 plus 6 is 9, and 4 comma 5 and 5 comma 4 possible cases. 6 comma 3. These are the possible cases to get score. That means actually here sum equal to 9, or score is equal to 9, total is equal to 9. These are the possible cases. So now n of e write down. N of e is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So probability of E, P of E. P of E equals to, what is the formula? Number of favorable cases to happen the event E divided by the total number of outcomes. That is N of S. So 4 upon 36. 4 upon 36 means 4 1 ja 4, 4 9 ja. So I will explain the one super shortcut also. So you remember this case, fourth problem. Super shortcut. Super shortcut. So what is the super shortcut means? See, P of E, probability of getting sum 9. Sum 9 is equal to sum minus 1. Sorry, wait. Sum 9. Sum 9 means actually this sum is more than 13. More than 13. So that means this is sum 9. Sum 9 means you need to write like this. 13 minus sum upon 36 write down. This is a shortcut. Sum is 9. You substitute 9 here. 13 minus 9 upon 4. Sorry, 36. 4 upon 36. 1 upon 9 is the answer. You check whether you get correct or not. Yes, 1 by 9. B is the right option. This is the shortcut. So whenever the score is greater than 7, the 9 is greater than 7, you apply this shortcut. 13 minus sum by 36. Because 2 dice. 2 dice means 6 into 6, 36. 13 minus 9, 4 by 36, answer is 1 by 9. Fifth problem. If probability of success is 0.5%, then probability of failure is A 0.95, B this is 0.095, C 99.5, D 0.995. Okay. See, the probability of success is 0.5%. Then what is the probability of the failure? That we need to find out. So let me give the concept actually here. Let's discuss. Let E comma E bar. For example, E be the success, E bar be the failure, or complementary events also we can say. Let E comma E bar be the two complementary events. Two complementary events. Complementary events. Then P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. So we need P of E bar, we need to find out. This is called failure, probability of failure. That is equal to 1 minus probability of success. P of E is given 0.5. 1 minus 0.5. So 1 minus 0.5 means from 1 you need to subtract 0.5. So wait, now you will be getting now probability of failure you are asked. Probability of success is 0.5%. Right, wait, 1 minute, let me do. So P of E equals to 0.5% means 0.5 by 100. This we can write 5 by 1000. 5 1 ja, 5 200 ja. So 1 upon 200 you can write. That means 200 minus 1, 199 by 200. So 2 9 ja 18, 1, 2 9 ja 18.5 by 100. Again 2 points we need to write. 0.995. This is the answer. D is the right option. D is the right option. Not C. You check Viresh. D is the right option. Percent means for 100. 0.5 by 100. Right. Sixth question. A girl calculates the probability of her winning the game, means success, that is winning the game in a match is 0.08. The probability of her losing the game is A 91% chance, B 8%, C is 92%, D, okay, Raghav Reddy, welcome, 80%. So that means a girl calculates the probability of her winning, her success in the game is 0.08. So the probability of her losing the game. So that means we need to apply the complementary events concept only. So that means what is given actually here, the probability of success, you say P of E is equal to 0.08. What we need to find out? P of E bar, but in percent we need to find out. So we know that P of E plus P of E bar equals to 1. Probability of success plus probability of failure is always 1. So we need to find out P of E bar. The P of E bar equals to 1 minus P of E. So 1 minus 0.08. How much we will be getting? That will be 0.02. But we need to find out percentage. So therefore P of E bar equals to, for 100 you need to find out 0.02. Yes, this is 0.08. 0.02 multiplied by, so that is 0.08, right? Winning the game. Probability of losing the game, right? 0.02 multiplied by 100. So you will be getting 2%. Probability of losing the game is 2%. You need to change the option, say this is 2%. B is the right option. B is the right option. Okay. Right. %, 2% for 100. So 1 minute, let me complete this problem now once again. So let us check this problem now. I did some mistake here, right? Calculations mistake. So let me complete it. 1 minus 0.08. So 2, yes, 92, 0.92. Yes. So 0. This will be 0.92. 0.92 multiplied by 100. This is 9200. 2 points put here. That is 92%. Absolutely correct. So now C is the right answer. C is the right answer. Yes, Viresh, absolutely correct. Seventh problem. If three coins are tossed simultaneously, then the probability of getting no head is A 3/4, B 3/8, C 1/8, D 1/4. Okay, this problem is related to the three kinds. So when three kinds are tossed simultaneously, then the probability of getting no head means all tails you need to get it. So that means first let us write here sample space. when three kinds are tossed, what is the sample space? I will give one technique to write the sample space. First you write down head here, tail write down. Here head, again tail write down. For this one head, tail write down. Head, tail write down. Head, tail. Head, tail. Head, tail. See, when three kinds are tossed, the sample space will be like this. So you get like this. Head, 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 three heads. Head, head, tail. Head, tail, head. Head, tail, tail. Next tail, head, head. Tail, head, tail. Tail, tail, head. Tail, tail, tail. That means probability of getting no head. Probability of getting no head means only one case you observe it. This is the favorable case out of the total number of cases. So that means actually here see, if you say the event E getting no head, E equals to probability of no head, P of no head, no head, that is n of no head. So that means only one, actually here we have in this one T, only one case is there. So P of E equals to, what is the formula? N of E by N of S. So we get 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 cube or 8 also we can write. 1 upon 8. Because 3 kinds means 2 cube. Total N of S. That is 8. 1 upon 8. So C is the right answer. Now, 8th problem. A single letter is selected at random from the word probability. The probability that it is a oval is. So the probability of selecting a oval is A 3 upon 11, B is 4 upon 11, C is 2 upon 11, D 5 upon 11. So which is the right option? So first, a single letter is selected at random from the word probability. Then what is the probability that it is being a vowel? That vowel we need to find out. So that means first of all you say like this. First N of S. N of S means total number of letters. Even repetition also allowed here. You count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, This is how many probability chapter. Probability. B-I-L-I-T-Y. Yes, probability. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, n of s is equal to 11. Next, E be the oval. Oval. How many ovals are there? So ovals we need to write. This is equal to ovals. What are the ovals actually we have? O, A, O comma A, I, I, I. Yes, 4 ovals are there. That's all. AE, IOU ovals, O, A, I. 4 vowels. So that means n of E equals to 4. So probability of getting a vowel, P of E, probability of getting a vowel. What is the formula? N of E upon N of S. So N of E stands for 4, N of S is equal to 11. 4 upon 11 is the answer. Yes, B is the right option. B is the right option. So not 1 upon 8, Nana. So 4 upon 11 is the right answer. Ninth one. Let us do ninth problem. From a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards, a card is drawn or selected, no problem. A card is randomly drawn or drawn at random. The probability of getting a block queen is A 1 upon 13, B 1 upon 26, C is 1 upon 52, D is 1 upon 4. This problem is related to the pack of cards. From a well-shuffled pack of cards, which is consisting of 52 cards. That means n of s is given. This is n of s. Total number of outcomes, possible outcomes. N of s is 52 given. The probability of getting a block queen, because total there are actually, so there are 4 queens. Out of them, see, 2 black, next 2 red, total 4 queens. 2 black, 2 red. Black queen means possible cases is 2. So that means we can write like this now. Well-shuffled pack of cards means always n of s is equal to 52. You remember this one. Next, n of e. N of e means n of, here what? A block queue. How many block queues are there in a pack of cards? Two block queues. This is 2. So now the probability of E, P of E is equal to, what is the formula? So we have favorable cases by total, N of E by N of S. Out of 52, there will be 2 chances, 2 of 52. So 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 12, 2 6 ja, 1 upon 26. So B is the right option. B is the right option. Are you there, anybody? So you can check it, your answer, whether it is correct or not. So 10th. So 10th question. If P of E equals to 0.05, then P of not E, or not happening of event E, is equal to A minus 0.05, B 0.05, C 0.9, D 0.5. Okay, solution. P of E is given, that is 0.05, then P of not E. So that means actually P of not E can be represented as a symbolically, it is P of E bar. So we have the relation formula. So what is the formula? P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. We need P of not E equal to P of E bar. P of E bar equals to 1 minus P of E. That equals to 1 minus 0.05. From 1, subtract 0.05. So 10, this will be 9, this will be 0. 10 minus 5, 5, 9, 0, 0.95. So 0.95 is not given, 0.95. 0.95 is not given, 0.95. Yes, you take it now. B, option B. Right. Eleventh one. If the probability of happening an event happening of an event, Pavitra Kavali, yes, an event is 5 upon 9, then probability of non-happening of this event is A 0, B is 1, C 4 upon 9, D 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3. Good morning, Ashish Kumar. Good morning, welcome. See, the probability of happening of an event is 5 upon 9. The probability of non-happening means, for example, this is P of E bar we are asked. So that means, given that we have P of E equals to probability of success also we can say. So what we are asked, P of E bar is equal to question mark. So we have P of E plus P of E bar equals to 1. Probability of success plus probability of failure is 1. We need P of E bar. What does P of E bar stands for? That is 1 minus P of E, or transpose P of E to the right hand side. We get 1 minus P of E. This equal to 1 minus 5 upon 9. So 9 is the LCM. 9 1 ja 9, 9 minus 5. So that will be 4 upon 9. C is the right option. C is the right option. Rahul Kumar Yadav. Very good, very good. Next, 12th question. 12th question. Pavitra, you are also correct. The probability of getting welcome Sai Kumar, welcome. The probability of getting exactly two tails when three kinds are tossed simultaneously is. Good morning Mahesh Babu. The probability of getting exactly two tails when three kinds are tossed simultaneously is option A 1 upon 8, option B 1 upon 2, option C is 3 upon 8, option D 5 upon 8. So my dear children, like, subscribe and share to your friends too. Even if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe the channel. So here I will give the technique now here. Three kinds are tossed at a time simultaneously. So that means you take head first, next tail. Here let us use this trick. This head tail. The fur is also head tail. Now total outcomes we shall get it now. So let us write it. So write. Now let us write sample space when three kinds are tossed. Sample space is equal to, you can write like this. Head, three heads possible. Two heads, one tail, HHT, HTT, next THH, THT, TTH, TTT. So now here probability of getting exactly two tails. This we need to consider now. So that means in E is a required event. Exactly two heads. Exactly two heads means this is the favorable case. Two heads are there. This is a favorable case. Two heads are there. This is a favorable case. Two heads are there. Exactly two heads. That means HTT, one of the cases, favorable cases. THT, TTH. Now P of E write down. P of E equals to N of E upon N of S. N of E is equal to count 1, 2, 3. Three favorable cases. Total cases, this will be 2 kinds means 2 cube. So 3 upon 8. Even if you count also you will get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 upon 8 is our answer. So C is the right option. C is the right option. Thirteen. Yes, option C. Pavitra. Absolutely correct. Which of the following which of the following cannot be the probability of an event A 2 upon 3, B 1, C 0, D 1.5. See, which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? Which of the following cannot be? You see this word, the probability of an event. See here solution, probability of an event, P of E always lies between 0 and 1. That is 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. And also one more important point we shall discuss. P of E may be 0, P of E may be 1, and P of E is always positive, greater than 0, always must be positive, and P of E is proper fraction. Proper fraction means here numerator is less than denominator. So that means it cannot be more than 0. 2 by 3 possible, 1 possible is there, 0 possible, but 1.5 will be greater than 0. So it cannot be possible. It should be less than 1 itself only. So D cannot be the probability. So D is eliminated. D is the right answer. Cannot be means this is the right answer. This is eliminated. This is eliminated. This is eliminated. These three options has been eliminated. D is the right option because the probability cannot be 1.5. Cannot be 1.5. So 14th question. Two kinds are tasked simultaneously. simultaneously, the probability of getting at most one tail, is A 3 upon 4, B 1 upon 3, C 1 upon 9, D 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. Good morning, Pranav Deepak. Very good morning. Very good morning. Welcome. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting at most one tail. So whenever the probability problem, you remember only one thing. First, we need to find out n of s. Next, we need to find out n of e. N of e by n of s. So then you will get the answer. That's all. So that means first of all, n of s write down. This problem is related to the two coins problem. Two coins are tossed simultaneously or a coin is tossed for two times. So now let us write n of s. N of s equals to 2 square, 2 coins means 4. Next, e. E means p of, sorry, this is actually event of getting at most one tail. So that is for example, x is the tail, number of tail, x is less than or equal to 1. It should not exceed 1. So that means e we can write like this. One tail, when two coins are tossed, that means one tail, head tail, one tail, tail head, and tail tail. Only 3 cases you will get it. But actually s is equal to, you can write like this, sample space is equal to head head, head comma tail, tail comma head, and tail tail. 4 cases. Out of 4 cases, only this possible. Head tail, tail head, tail tail. This is at most one tail. See, either two tails, at most one tail itself only. So not like this. This is not included. Only 2 cases. At most one tail. Head tail or tail head itself only. Okay. Tail also we should include. Now P of E equals to n of E by n of S. So 3 upon 4 is the right answer. Yes, A is the right answer. It's correct, Anna? Correct. (15) The probability of getting a prime number in a single throw of a dice is A 1 upon 2, B 1 upon 6, C 1 upon 3, D 3 upon 4. Okay, try this question. Try this question. Let us see. The probability of getting a prime number. Single throw. Single throw means a dice is rolled for one time. Only one time. So probability of getting a prime number in a single throw of a dice. So that means first of all, sample space write down. When a dice is rolled, S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cases. Out of 6, we need prime number. This is very important. Prime number. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. So E, event of getting a prime. So that is equal to 2, 3, 5. Now P of E, probability of getting E is equal to N of E upon N of S. So here N of E 1, 2, 3 elements upon 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. 1 upon 2 is the right answer. So A. Right. 16th question. 16th question. The probability of getting the probability of getting two tails, that means exactly two tails when two coins are tossed simultaneously is A 1 upon 3, B 1 upon 4, C 1 upon 2, D 1. See, the probability of getting two tails when two coins are tossed simultaneously. So that means when the two coins are tossed, you get like this: head, tail, here head, tail, head, tail. Let us write a sample space first. Sample space means you get like this. Solution: S is equal to two heads H comma H, H comma T, or T comma H, or T comma T. N of S is equal to 4. So here getting two tails. CE, getting two tails means only one possible cases, TT. Now P of E equals to N of S, N of E upon N of S. So 1 upon 4 cases. 1 upon 4. B is the right option. B is the right option. Seventeenth question. Right. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. In a bag there are only lemon flavored candies. Shalini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. That means randomly selected into the bag. The probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy. Is this a logical question? A 1/2, B 0, C 1, D 2/3. Just think about this question. Krushi Jana, welcome. Yes, because actually the bag contains only lemon flavored candies. Shalini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. The probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy. So how could she get the orange flavored candy? So there are no such orange flavored candies in a bag. So that's why it's an impossible event. It's an impossible event means probability of impossible event is 0. So answer is 0, obviously. So that means solution. Let E be the event of getting orange flavored candy. E is impossible event. Or uncertain event. Therefore, P of E equals to N of E by N of S. N of E is 0 upon N of S. So you get 0 is the answer. B is the right option. Yes, impossible event. Impossible. Rishi Jana, have you subscribed? Sai Kumar, have you subscribed? Eighteenth problem. So let us move to the 18th problem now. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? The probability of an event. So you must remember one thing, the probability of an event always lies between 0 and 1. It should not be negative. It should be always positive, and also in between 0 to 1. Minimum 0, maximum 1, and also proper fraction. You must remember. You need to check the options. With the help of options, elimination method need to be applied. A 2 by 3, it's a proper fraction, possible. B 0.7, it's 7 by 10, possible. C is 15. C 1.5. D 0.5. So which of the following cannot be? It exceeds 1. So C is the right option. So that means here hint, you remember, probability of an event 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. That's why it cannot be 1.5. It may be 2 by 3, it may be 0.7, 0.5, but it cannot be 1.5. C is the right option. Nineteenth question. If the probability of an event is P, the probability of non-happening of event is A P minus 1, B P, C 1 minus P, D is 1 minus 1 upon P. Probability of an event is P. The probability of non-happening of the event we need to find out. So that means the solution, let E be the event, then E bar is the non-happening of the event. So we know that implies P of E plus P of E bar equals to 1. Probability of happening plus probability of non-happening is 1. Probability of success plus probability of failure is 1. So we need to find out probability of non-happening. P of E bar is given by 1 minus P of E. So now, according to the problem, this is the P of E. Probability of happening, P of E. So 1 minus P. C is the right option. C is the right option. So next, 20th question. If P of E equals to 0.2, then probability of not E is A 20%, B is 80%, C 50%, D is 70%. Okay, solution. P of not E equals to P of E bar. This P of E bar equals to 1 minus P of E. That is 1 minus 0.2. So subtract 0.2 from 1. So borrow 10. This will be 0, 0.8. But percentage we need to find out. So that means 0.8 multiplied by 100. So just remove the point, multiply 800. But how many points? Only 1 point. So 80% you will be getting. So B is the right option. B is the right option. Divya, absolutely correct. Twenty-one. From numbers 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 9, 9, 9, 9. One number is selected at random. The probability that the selected number is mean is given by A, option A, 1 upon 10, B, 3 upon 10, C, 7 upon 10, D, 9 upon 10. So this is very logical question. From numbers 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9, 9, 9, one number is randomly selected or selected at random. The probability that selected number is its mean. The first we need to find out the mean. First, let us find out the mean. Solution. First, mean let us find out. What is the mean? It's important in this case. 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this will be 36, 9 4 ja 36 because there are 4 nines. 7 3 ja 21, 5 plus 5, 10, 13. This is 4, 10, 5, 7, 70. 70 divided by 10. So 7 is the mean. 7 is the mean. That means 7 is repeated for 3 times. This is the 7 is repeated for 3 times. So probability of getting a mean is means 3 cases out of 10 cases. So that means let us write now here n of s equals to n of s is equal to 10. E is its mean. Mean means 7 is the mean. 7 comma 7 comma 7. So probability of getting selected number is its mean. So that means actually n of e by n of s. So number of elements are 3 upon n of s. Total is actually total. If you count all these things, you get 10 numbers. There are 10 numbers with repetition also. 3 upon 10 is the answer. So B is the right answer. It's very logical question. Yes, Divya, absolutely correct. (22) which of the following cannot be probability of an event? A minus 0.05, B 1.0005, C 18 upon 23, D 9 upon 7. Can be, not cannot be, can be. See, probability cannot be negative, deleted. Probability cannot be greater than 1. Probability cannot be greater than 1. So C is the answer. C is the answer. See, what are the cases? P of E cannot be negative. And next, P of E should be positive. And moreover, it lies in between 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. So here 18 by 23 possible, can be the probability of an event. C is the right option. Yes, I have the model paper. 23, right. 23. suppose you drop a dice at random on the rectangular region shown in the figure given below. The probability that it will land inside the square of side 1 centimeter is. First, let us draw the figure. This is the rectangular region. So, in which a square is there. So now the dimensions of the rectangle is 6 centimeters is length, 4 centimeters is the breadth, and the side of the square is 1 centimeter. This options now: A 1/6, B 1/12, C 1/10, D is 1/24. This problem is related to the no, it will be changed actually. I have the work today, so that's why I started earlier. So now suppose you drop a dice at random on the rectangular region. The probability that it will land inside of this square having 1 centimeter. So this is called geometrical probability. Required probability is equal to, you can write like this: P of E is equal to area of square upon area of rectangle. So area of the square is given by side square 1 into 1. Area of the rectangle is length, this is breadth, L into B, that is 6 into 4. So 1/24 is the required probability. So D is the right option. Yes, Krushi, Jana, Divya, Pavitra, absolutely correct. Okay, we shall continue in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.